In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in Notion. Notion is a versatile productivity tool that's great for organizing all kinds of information, but customizing it to suit your preferences can make your experience even better. One of the ways you can personalize your Notion workspace is by adjusting the font size to match your reading preference, which can greatly enhance your productivity and comfort. First, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to change the font size. If you're starting a new page, now's the perfect time to do so. Just click the Add a Page option on the left sidebar. Once you're on your page, or if you're working with existing content, you'll notice there isn't a direct font size adjustment option in the toolbar like you might see in other word processing software. But don't worry, I'll guide you through a simple workaround to effectively change how your text appears. The first method involves using header text styles. By default, Notion offers 3 header levels, Heading 1, Heading 2, and Heading 3, each with progressively smaller font sizes. To access these, click on the text where you'd like to apply the different font size. Once selected, use the / command by typing, followed by the word heading. This will show you the options for Heading 1, 2, and 3. You can choose any of these to change the size of your font accordingly. Heading 1 is the largest, so it's a great choice for titles or important notes, while Heading 3 is the smallest of the 3 and still larger compared to the body text. For those wondering about body text or paragraph adjustments, you don't have fine-tuned control over font size in the same way as with headings. However, you can adjust the overall page appearance by using the small text feature available for the entire page. Simply go to the top right corner of your page, and you'll find the 3 dots which open the page menu. Click on this menu and look for the option labeled Small Text. Toggling this option will minimize the font size for the entire page, giving you a cleaner look if that's what you're going for. While these tools give you some level of customization within Notion's current limitations, bear in mind that there are still restrictions. Notion is consistently updating, and while there might not be a direct font size alteration feature right now, it's always worth checking back for updates that could introduce this functionality. Until that happens, these methods are effective ways to manage font size and make your workspace as comfortable and functional as possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you better tailor your Notion experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips.